This might get a lot of views, but I was just going to my ringtone and look at this. No way! I found the version of it. This is isn't that cool? Hold on, no, go back. It's my ringtone is me. Homecoming. So if you have an Android, go to ringtones, go to Homecoming, and you'll hear it. Okay, peace.